Last time on Sunny Street, Mochi had something in his mouth.
Wait, Mochi, what is that?
Today, Mochi has a surprise. Mochi walks slowly, very carefully. He has something in his mouth.
He is walking to Minnie.
Look, he brought something.
Mochi, is this for me?
She looks at Minnie. He blinks once, slowly.
Wait, what does bring mean?
Let me explain. Bring means to carry something to someone. Mochi brought the ribbon. He gave it to Minnie. It is for her.
Good question, Haru. And good eyes, Minnie.
Oh, Mochi gave a gift to Minnie.
Gift for me?
Look at that ribbon. It is so beautiful.
Yes, it is beautiful. Mochi, you are a good cat.
It is beautiful. Thank you, Mochi. This gift is for me?
Mochi sits down. He purrs. That means yes.
Mochi gave Minnie a gift. What a beautiful moment.
This is the best gift ever.
And Mochi is sleeping again.
He always brings gifts. Then he always sleeps.
Good, he can sleep. He is a good cat.
Today's key words. Number 1. Bring. Mochi brought a ribbon. Number 2. Give. He gave it to Minnie. Number 3. Gift. What a beautiful gift. Number 4. Beautiful. It is so beautiful. Number 5. 4. This gift is for you.
Say it with me. Bring. He brought a gift. It is for you. What a beautiful gift. Good job. See you next time.
Then, someone is at the door.
Who is at the door?
Next time on Easy Story English. Who is at the door?